Hi guys, so today I'm doing a short video on hiccups. There are multiple ways to stop it. The one I'm talking about is from my own experience. I'm recovering from a cold. That's why my voice sounds funny. Yesterday I took a Dayquil, two Dayquil caps, because I had to run some errands. I didn't want to be coughing and all that stuff. And a little bit after that, I started getting the hiccups. And I started to feel the acid reflux in my stomach, like my stomach was burning and stuff like that. And it was off and on all day, no matter what I did. And yesterday evening, I drank some vegetable juice, and that seemed to subside it a little. I had to keep going down drinking some more vegetable juice every 10-15 minutes. And I came across online, I looked at the vagus nerve and stuff like that, stimulating behind the ears and all that. And with the cold, along with the acid reflux, for some odd reason, since I'm not really eating a whole lot of carbohydrates anymore, but I got that back. I came across an article, and it had this they said melons, but I didn't have that. I had cantaloupe, and I figured there might be a correlation between acid reflux and this hiccups, because every time I have the hiccups, my stomach would burn. So instead of drinking the vegetable juice, which has cantaloupe and among other things from my other videos, you could look at those. I decided to go ahead and eat the straight cantaloupe, because I tried the bananas and that didn't really help. They're saying about 1 to 2% people don't do well with the bananas, and the same goes for the cantaloupe. But in my case, it worked well for me using the cantaloupe. See, I'm burping. Well, hopefully this lasts, because I'm really tired of the hiccups. Keep waking up in the middle of the night. So far it seems to be working. I only ate that much, and it just went away. I don't feel the acid reflux. My stomach doesn't feel funny, and immediately the hiccups stop. So I guess a tip for the day: if you try everything else for your hiccups and it's related to the acid, you feel like a burning sensation in your stomach, try a cantaloupe or a honeydew or a watermelon and see if that helped. I had cantaloupe available to me, so I tried that and it worked fine for me. Y'all have a good day.